Today we're going to be talking all about some simple test prep strategies to help your middle school math students prepare for your state testing. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of the Prealgebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach middle school math. So if you are in the process of preparing your math students for whatever state testing that you are taking, sit tight because I'm going to be sharing with you some awesome strategies that you can implement today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. And this is going to be especially useful for you if you are using previously released test questions. It doesn't matter what tests you are taking, but if you are using previously released test questions, these strategies will be so useful for you. And these are the exact strategies that I use in my own classroom. Okay, so strategy number one, I want you to start by only reading the question. Then discuss the question. Don't answer the question. Yes, don't answer the question. When you tell your students that, we're only going to read the questions, but we're not going to answer them, they're going to be like, what? Your students will get so excited. But there's a reason for this, okay? Test prep strategy one is all about figuring out what the question is asking you to do. That's all you are trying to train your students to get them thinking about, okay? So here is an example. This is a previously released test question. So it says, Roberto paid $43.08 for 3 CDs. Your kids, you may have to explain what a CD is. Okay, all 3 CDs were the same price. How much did each CD cost? So what is this asking you to do? The key word here is how much did each cost, right? So if I look for, in these examples, if my total is $43, each is going to be less than $43, okay? See what we're doing here? So we can already eliminate ones that don't make sense, all right? Okay, but I'm getting ahead of myself here. But all we are doing is trying to figure out what is asking us to do. Okay, so here's another example. Dacia made a snack mix using these ingredients. She used 1/4 cup granola, 3/4 cups peanuts, 1/2 cup raisins, 1/4 cup chocolate chips. What is the total amount of all 4 ingredients? Okay, so what is this asking you to do? Keyword here is total amount. So now we can go through and talk about, okay, what does total mean? Probably means to add everything up. Okay, so if it means that we have to add everything up, how do we add all of these fractions? Can we add all of these fractions? Does it make sense? If we can, what do we do? If we cannot, what do we do? We're just simply talking out the strategies. Okay? Test prep strategy 2. Look for the dumb bunny. I know, it's so silly, right? But your students will remember the dumb bunny. What is the dumb bunny? Let me explain. Okay, so as you are going through each question, here's another. Which of the following is an irrational number? Okay, so now we're going to think, what is this asking us to do? Okay, trying to figure out what is an irrational number. Okay, so what is an irrational number? Well, irrational numbers are numbers that are, that really end up with like no rhyme or reason. It's like 11.7735, right? Okay, so the dumb bunny, can I eliminate the ones that don't belong, right? Okay, so let's look at the options. Square root of 144. If I don't know what that is, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to skip it for now. Square root of 16. Well, I know the square root of 16 is 4, so that can't be it. The square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so that can't be it. So I can already eliminate these dumb bunnies. And then the square root of 3 could be it, not sure. Okay, so I've already eliminated 2 out of my 4. So boom, I'm already almost there, right? Okay, let's take a look at another one. A sweater originally cost $37.50. Last week, Moesha bought it at 20% off. how much was deducted from the original price. So what is it asking us to do? It's asking us not the total, right? It's asking us for how much was deducted. So I might not know what 20% off of $37 is, but we can kind of do some thinking around this, right? So could it be $7.50 that was taken off that I saved? Maybe. $17.50? Maybe. What about $20? $20 seems like a lot. $20 is not the same as 20%. And I think that's probably what they're trying to get me to do. So, okay, I'm going to erase that. 20% is definitely not $30 of 37. That's way too much. That's like more than half, right? So, okay, that's definitely not it. Okay, so I'm eliminating these dumb bunnies. Those are two of my favorite strategies to use when I am going over test prep strategies with my students. Really talking about what is the question asking me to do, and then eliminating the dumb bunnies. If you want more test prep strategies, we have an entire training inside of the Prealgebra Teachers Math membership. I highly encourage you to come join us inside our membership. We have trainings, we have everything you need to teach your middle school math class with ease, including lesson plans, PowerPoints, your bell ringers, your practice problems, digital activities, printable activities, test quizzes, everything you need, all in one place just for you. And we have this full training ready for you inside of the membership, where you can also get all of the accompanying resources, a 1-hour certificate of professional development just for you inside the membership. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Again, my name is Kathy Martin, and I look forward to seeing you inside of our membership. Talk to you soon. Bye.